Jai Shri Gurudev, my dear students. So let us discuss today a CET case related questions related to limits and derivative chapter. Okay, here it is. This is the first question. Okay, limit x tends to 1. Limit x tends to 1. X cube minus x square plus 1 is equals to dash. Okay. So options are given like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how to solve this one? See. So if you substitute x is equals to 1, 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 substitute 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 square minus 1 cube 1 square 1 plus 1 is equals to what? 1 minus 1 cancel is equals to 1. So which option is the right one? Option A is the right answer for this one. Okay. Next, limit second question. Limit x tends to 3, x into x plus 1, x into x plus 1. Okay. So x tends to 3 means you have to substitute the 3 value here. 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿ 3 into 3 plus 1 is equals to 3 into 4. 3 4 the what? 12. C. 12 is the answer. Okay. C. Option C is the right answer. Next one. Question number 3. So limit x tends to minus 1. Limit x tends to minus 1. 1 plus x square and so on. X to the power of 10. X to the power of 10. So x tends to what? X tends to minus 1. No. X tends to minus 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. X tends to minus 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Substitute here. X is equals to minus 1. X tends to minus 1. So 1 ಅದೇ ತರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Minus x means minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 1 whole cube minus 1 alternative plus 2 minus ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore and so on 1 power 10 1 power 10. So how many terms are there? Total 11 terms are there. 11 terms ಇದೆ x to the power of 1 x square ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು minus 1 plus 1 ಅದರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ x to the power of 10 ವರೆಗೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ minus 1 plus 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ minus 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is the remaining? So option B is the right answer for this question. Okay, my dear students, like that you have to simplify. So which option is the right one? Option B. So 1 is the right answer for the question. Okay. So my dear students, see next question. Question number 4. Limit x tends to 1, x square plus 1 divided by x plus 100. X square plus 1 divided by x plus 100. So what is the question? Limit x tends to 1, x square plus 1 divided by x plus 100. Substitute x value 1 here. 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? We substitute 1 square means 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 100 1 not 1. So therefore 2 divided by 1 not 1. So which is option? Option B. Option B is the right answer for this one. Option B is the right answer for this one. Okay. Next type problems. X tends to 2 ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you substitute x is equals to 2 here, okay. So it will become undefined. Why? Because if you substitute 2 in the denominator ಒಳಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 square is what? 4. 2 square 4 minus 4 is what? Undefined ಅಂದ್ರೆ not defined ಅಂದ್ರೆ denominator ಒಳಗೆ 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ that is ND, not defined case, otherwise undefined case ಇದೆ. So ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ so how you can solve this type of problems means we can apply another technique is there. What is that mean? L hospital rule anta. So one technique is there. Based on that technique we can evaluate. What is the technique? That is C. So differentiation anta ಏನು? So numerator separate differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, denominator separate differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now you tell me what is the differentiation for x cubed? X cubed ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So therefore is equals to limit x tends to 2. Okay. Differentiation for x cubed minus 4x square plus 4x. X cubed ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3x square. X cubed is what? 3x square. Minus 4x. X square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 into 4 8x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 8x. 4x ಗೆ 4 divided by. What is the differentiation for x square 2x, 4 ಗೆ 0, 4 ಗೆ 0. ಓಕೆ, now you apply 2, you have 2 apply ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, undefined ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, undefined ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. now you apply what is that 2 into 4, 4 denominator 4 ಇದ್ರೆ so no problem. okay, so 3 into 2 square 4 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, 3 4 ಗೆ what 12 minus 8 2s are 16 plus 4. what is the answer? 12 plus 4, 16 minus 16, 0 by 4 0. so which option is the right one? so option A is the right answer for this one. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆದರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನು. ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. Option A is the right answer. Next, question number 6. Limit x tends to 2. Limit x tends to 2. X square minus 1 divided by x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed minus 4x minus 5. So, if you substitute 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 power 4 16 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 16 ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ 2 power 4 ಇದು 16 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 2s are what? 4 2s are 8. ಇದು ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್? 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1, 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 means 4 minus 1 3 divided by 16 minus 16. 2 into ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 8 ಜಾ 16 minus 16. okay, 16 minus 16. 4 2s are 8 minus 8 minus 5. minus 8 minus 5. So this is the answer. So 16 cancel ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so 3 divided by minus 8 minus 5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? one second. so one correction here, not minus 4x plus 4x ಏನ plus 4x ಅಂದ್ರೆ so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus 8 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. 16 cancel, 8 minus 5 3 cancel ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so which option is the right one? Option D is the right answer for this one. okay, so if you substitute 2 here, 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ undefined ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. so undefined ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ same you have to write. okay, so that is the simplification for this one. so option D 1 ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? you have to substitute the x is equals to 2 in place of x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 4 minus 1 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 power 4 16, 2 into 2 cubed 16, 2 4 2s are 8 minus 5. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 by 3 it is equals to 1. option D is the right answer for this question. okay, my dear students, like this you have to simplify. okay, so my dear students, next question see. question number 7. limit x tends to 2 x cubed minus 2x square divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. okay, how to solve this question? see, so first you substitute 2 here. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 2 square 4 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? undefined case 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. so undefined case means already told one powerful technique is there. what is that technique means? L hospital rule ಅಂತ. L hospital rule ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ x ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ x ಕ್ಯೂಬ್? x ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ minus 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ is what? 3x square. x cube d by dx of x cube is what? 3x square minus 2x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 2s are 4 into x 4x okay, divided by okay over x square. what is the difference for x square? 2x minus 5x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5x ಗೆ 5 so 6 ಬಂದು 0. so this is the result. okay, now you substitute x is equals to 2. so limit x tends to 2 now you apply. if you substitute 2 it is undefined case ಆಗಲ್ಲ. it is defined. 2 to the 4 minus 1 minus 1 okay, now you apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 into 2 square 3 2 square 4, 3 4 are 12 minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 2 2s are 4 minus 1 minus 1. So therefore 12 minus 8 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 12 minus 8 4 by minus 1 minus 4. So which option is the right one? Option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. So which option is the right one? Option D. Option D is the right answer. D equals to minus 4. So minus 4. Next we will move to the question number 8. Limit x tends to 1. Limit x tends to 1. X minus 2 divided by x square minus x minus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Okay. If we substitute x is equals to 1 in the denominator substitute ಮಾಡಿ 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು undefined ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So undefined case. Undefined case means you have to apply the L hospital rule. Okay. Now you tell me what is the differentiation for x minus 2. So limit x tends to 1. Limit x tends to 1. Limit x tends to 1. X minus 2 difference is x minus 2 ಗೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1. Okay. Okay. X minus 2 ಗೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. X square denominator x square minus 6 is there no. X square ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. X ಗೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2x minus 1. Okay. Minus. ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ 1 ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು once again. So my dear students, so alternative method, had to apply this alternative. In limits x tends to 1, see this one h1, limit x tends to 1, x minus 2 divided by x square minus x minus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So same x common thing, x into x minus 1 minus 1 divided by x common, again x common. Okay, x common ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 3x plus 2 okay. So this is a factorization is x minus 1 x minus 2 factorization ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬೇಕಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, now x into x minus 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ 1 divided by x into x minus 1. Okay, what is the remaining thing? X minus 2 minus 1 divided by x minus 2, 1 divided by x minus 2. Okay, so is equals to limit. Okay, limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1 divided by x into x minus 1 into, okay, x minus 2 is the LCM now, x minus 2 is LCM, x minus 2 whole square, x into x square, x into minus 2x plus 4 minus 1, okay, 4 minus 1 is what? 3, directly 3, okay, clear? Like that you have to simplify. Okay. So here minus 2x is what? Minus 4x ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Understood or not? So minus 4x ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. So minus 4x. Minus 2x minus 4x plus 3. Minus 4x plus 3. Okay. So again what is the simplification? X square minus 4x plus 3 is what? Again factorization ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x minus 1 x1 factorization ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to x square minus 3x minus x, no? So minus 4x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So tell me what is the answer? x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ x minus 3 minus 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ x minus 3, x minus 1 x minus 3, x minus 1 ಇದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋಣ? x minus 1 x minus 3. So x minus 1 x minus 3. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆ? x minus 1 cancel, undefined cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If you apply x equals to 1 apply ಮಾಡಿ 1 minus 3 apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 2 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2. So which option is the right one? Option C is the right answer for this one. So option C, 8th question, option C is the right answer. Okay. Next question, see question number 9. Question number 9. Limit x tends to 1. Limit x tends to 1. X to the power of 15 minus 1 divided by x to the power of 10 minus 1. If we take x is equals to 1, undefined case agata. 1 minus 1, 1 power 10, 1 minus 1 undefined case. We can apply the L'Hospital rule. What is that? X to the power of 15 difference is 15. X to the power of 14. Clear? 1 ಗೆ 0. d by dx of 1 0. X to the power of 10. 10 into x to the power of 9. 10 into x to the power of minus 1 ಗೆ 0. So if x is equals to x tends to 1, if x tends to 1, x value 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 5 2s are 5 3s are 3 by 2 are. What is the answer? 3 by 2 is the right answer. So which option is the right one? Option D. 3 by 2 is the right answer for this one. Okay, my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.